Hi guys! In this video, we will show you how to change Shopify store theme. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. To start, search Shopify in Google. Here, open the official website of Shopify. Once it is opened, click on Online Store. Here, you need to click on the theme. It will open the theme library. You can either choose free themes or customize your own theme. Now click on View Theme Store. You will have a number of paid and free themes. Click to open any theme of your choice. It will show you all of the features of the theme. Click on Free Themes. Then click on Try Theme, or you can also have a demo store. The theme will be added to your Shopify store. To customize a theme, click on Customize. Wait for it to load. It offers a number of tools to customize your theme as per choice. You can add multiple theme settings and theme style. Your Shopify store theme will be changed. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified for new videos. We're dropping new videos every day to help all of you.